Yo, McDonald's mukbang. Come on now. So, today we have 12-piece nugget. Come on. And the famous McChicken, already pre-opened. Come on now. That's service. I think we start with the McChick. Looks pretty good. A little off center, a little off keister, but it's okay. That's a thuggable situation. Now, looky here, my dear. Whoops. Whoa, what is that? Whoa. I got a new sauce, but they gave me the wrong sauce. This is the mild picante. Now, I don't know what this is, but seems intriguing. They should have given me a... Oh, shoot. I seem to be dropping everything. Here's another mild picante. This doesn't seem quite right to me, as I ordered the hot picante. I wanted a little kick, but no kick tonight, guys. I'm sorry. But wham! Snagged it from the counter. That worker didn't know what hit her. Come on now. So the plan is to go bun open, ketchup on chicken. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. I don't know what to do with this. I'll just throw it in there. And then I think next move is I'm gonna get a little taste of the mild picante. Don't judge here. Need to get a little. That sucks. Don't ever order that. Now that we've established the do's and don'ts, let me crack open my favorite sauce at Mickey's. Sweet and sour. Let's get this first bite. That's good. Going for another one. You know, I was watching Badlands Chugs earlier today, man. Got me thinking. That dude is fat, man. But he can put down some drinkage like nobody's business. And he's got that big old cup shaped like a dang shoe. He calls it the boot. It's a 2-liter cup, man. And then he put some baked beans in there. and he drank the beans. Ain't that crazy? Beans. You don't drink beans. That's like drinking some corn, which he did do. He drank 2 liters of creamed corn. Dude, it was awesome, man. Y'all got to look that up. Badlands Chugs creamed corn. That'll get you going. That was a good little introduction to the sweetness that is McDonald's. Here we got 6-piece McNugget. Got 2 of them. Oh, they're warm. Get a little dip. Look at that. My friends down south, they would say that's bueno. Oh yeah. I'm eating all this, then I'm gonna go home and devour some something, whatever mama cooked. And I'm about out of gas. I might die. I got enough to make it home. This is hit the spot. I don't understand. Food so good going in. Going out. Don't try it. Trust me. Don't get this crap, man. This mild picante, man. It's chunky. Tastes like you're eating something. Tastes like you're eating something nasty. But it was only 5 calories for that whole pack. So, if you're on a diet, first off, why are you on a diet? You're at McDonald's. But you can eat McDonald's on a diet. A little once a week action. Last nugget. Hear that crunch, man. Listen. Oh! That'll get you going. That will make a bulldog. That'll make a bulldog break his chain. Got one more. Come on now. I am not slacking. Got all this for $5, by the way. With the deals. Free 6-piece when you buy one. These nuggets still good. Oh. I don't know if y'all can hear the crunch fest going on in my mouth right now, but It's heavenly. Oh yeah. That is good. You know what might be in order? I always keep a stash in this center compartment here. Zesty Buffalo from Chick-fil-A. I think this is the time to bust one out. Hold up. Gotta jip up the jacket. I don't wanna get Zesty Buff on my t-shirt. That wouldn't be too good. Paid a lot of money for this shirt. $3. That is the gift of thrift shopping. Oh yeah. It's got that twang. It's all you could ever ask for. Twang. Let's get a little close-up dip in action. Oh yeah. Drown it. Oh yeah. Now that will make a bulldog break his chain. That's good. I love Zesty Buffalo sauce. I could drink this stuff. Oh! I dropped my nugget. But I caught it. This is the last one. What a way to end it off. Oh! And you know what you do with the rest of the Zesty Buff you got? Down the hatch. And then you lick it clean. And then, excuse me. By this time, you're really quite parched. So you take a little sip of water, something to cleanse the palate. Just something just to wipe the slate clean. Like, you know, like wax on, jack off. You know how they do it. You know how that Asian guy says. Is that the one from Back to the Future where the kid meets the old guy and he learns karate? I don't know. Well, this has been a blast. My first mukbang. hopefully I continue doing these. One day I hope to be like my idol, Nikocado Avocado and Badlands Chugs. But with that, I sanitize and I'm out.